Bob, here's your little 363. Let's get done running it. Give you a description of this combination. Obviously got the Borla stack on it. It is the Shelby cylinder heads, Shelby block. Nice setup. Got the Aviate oil pan, custom ground hydraulic roller. Got Jesels on this. Obviously ECU is Holley Terminator X, great system. Got the front end on it for you. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,500, 427 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 456, good and flat in there. Peaks horsepower 531, rated at 530. We've got a little bit more camshaft in this than your other one you've got, and this has also got the front end on it too, so it runs real hard up there. We'll get her off there, get in our crate, come your way. Have a great day.